Okay, anytime now.
Working on it.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. Netflix is packed with new releases, but just a few stand out. The type of shows that draw you into an atmospheric dark story, surprise you with savage action or slowly deplete you emotionally by the end. So whether you are looking for gripping crime thrillers, slow burn psychological stories or series that you can't put down after the first episode, these are the Netflix shows you should watch right now.
우리 팀에 들어오려는 이유.
잡고 싶은 놈이 있어서입니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to remember. Light lasts forever.
Number 7. The Gentleman. It is a 2024 action comedy crime drama created by Guy Ritchie as a spin-off of his 2019 film. The story unfolds with Theo James as Hardy Allstead, an ex-soldier who acquires his family royal property only to learn that it includes a massive corrupt drug empire controlled by the cruel Susie Glass and her father.
I didn't create this problem. I'm trying to help you deal with it.
No one walks away.
The 8-episode first season strikes a mix between dark humor and criminal drama as Eddie attempts to negotiate royal aspiration while facing the bizarre risk of the underworld. The show perfectly fuses Ritchie's typical witty language, weird British criminal characters, and clever set pieces. Its slick aesthetic and cast chemistry are strong, but it doesn't much expand the original film setting and relies on basic genre cliches, making it enjoyable and binge-worthy for lovers of gangster thrillers.
It was a bit of a shock. Inheriting a house, title. As the new landlord.
Number 6. The Diplomat. It is a 2023 political thriller series featuring Kerry Russell as Kat Wheeler, an experienced US diplomat who is unexpectedly chosen the ambassador to the United Kingdom during a worldwide catastrophe, where she must deal with complex world politics, crucial agreements, and delicate partnerships while maintaining a volatile marriage to other diplomats. However, the show combines incisive political maneuvering with personal drama, earning appreciation for its brilliant writing and ability to make international affairs feel fascinating and character-centered rather than boring. This is number 5. My Name. It is a 2021 gritty action crime thriller series that centers on Yoon Ji-woo, who seeks retribution after witnessing her father brutally murdered and chooses to collaborate with an influential crime lord to find out the truth and bring her father's killer to justice. The drama features expertly orchestrated fight sequences, noir-style narratives, and psychological stakes, with Han Soi delivering a memorable performance that drives the series' rhythm. Overall, it is a gripping vengeance thriller with elegant execution and strong performances that makes it stand out among Netflix Korean original series. Number 4. All the Night We Cannot See. It is a 4-part Netflix miniseries directed by Sean Levy. The show takes place during World War II and chronicles Mary Labneck, a blind French girl who transmits an illegal radio segment from Nazi-controlled St. Malo with the objective of finding her lost father. Despite its talented cast, eye-catching visuals, and production aesthetic, the series style is inconsistent and the conversation can be dull. It is an aesthetically flawless World War II drama with stunning visuals and a fascinating idea. And if you love the atmospheric suspense, conceptual depth, and thought-provoking horror, you can also check The Midnight Mass. And if you are the fan of comedy series with sitcom style and high-stake drama, you can also check out The A Man on the Inside. And if you love to watch gritty investigation, Nordic noir tone, sleek cinematography and quick pacing with a realistic character-centered crime drama rather than a traditional action, you can also check out the Sneva case.